Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to SQL tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned inner join query in SQL Server 2017. So friends, let's start. So friends, first we open a DB, a new query, and write a select command star from TBL student and select star from TBL books. Hence I have two tables. I have using the inner join in two tables. So friend, let's start. Select first, write the table name and column name. I have first name, and then we have write again second table name TBL books and write a column name book name from TBL student, write inner join again table name, second table name on, write again table name TBL student dot, write a same column name both tables. You can see this std_id and std_id both are same as again TBL student TBL books dot std_id. Friends, we have write this query and you have to check this. Execute. Write execute. So friends, you can see this. Both columns are here. First name and book name. You write the inner join. I hope friends you like the videos. Friends, please like and share and subscribe, and latest videos updates, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and Twitter, and join my Google Plus community. If you have any query, friends, you can ask me in comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching video.